we're going to do a different way of tying the knot now. It's called the loop-de-loop.
So what do you do first?
Make the X, put the loop through, and pull.
Good job. Now what do you do?
Make one bunny ear. Take that lace, loop it around.
Okay.
That's one. Loop it around another time. That's two.
Okay, so you loop it
now,
twice. Okay.
Yeah, but now you might see a little pocket there. If you don't, that's okay. But then you take that lace, grab it, take that bunny ear and pull.
Oh, that was super easy.
Yeah, super simple.
Super cool.
You can pull that and then unties it.
Nice. Should we try again?
Sure.
Okay, let's do it again. So what do we do?
Make it X, put it through, and pull.
Yay.
Make one bunny ear, take that lace, loop around one time, loop around a second time, that's two. Then you might see a little pocket there. It's okay if you don't. Then take that bunny loop, take that, and pull with the bunny ear. Yeah, very simple. Okay, everybody, let's do it one more time.
So we gotta untie it again?
Yeah, so you untie the whole thing. Okay, first make X, then take one loop, pull, and put it through, and pull. And make one bunny ear, loop that thing around 2 times. Then you might see a little pocket there. Take that in, grab that, and pull.
Super easy.
Yeah, super